Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix ongoing device setup on iPhone or iPad. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your general and then make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, right? So go back right here, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just make sure that your VPN is disconnected, so you will be able to do these steps. Now what I'm going to do, if you having troubles with your battery, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and swipe down to your control center, and then basically click the restart button, or shut down your iPhone and reopen it again, and then you're gonna be able to restore, or gain that battery health again. This is a normal problem that occurs to most people, so just restart your iPhone after you followed my steps, and then that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.